Hello, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video I'll review the revolution alarm for our S Series chemical veneer pumps. One primary factor affecting the tube life is the number of revolutions that the tube has operated. The revolution alarm, which is only available on peristaltic pumps, will allow you to set an alert once a set number of revolutions has been reached. A revolution alarm set point can be inputted, which will alert you when the tube should be serviced. When the set point is reached, the pump will display revolution count exceeded. However, the pump will not stop. To enable revolution alarm, open the app drawer, select Settings, select Revolution Alarm, enable Revolution Alarm. The number of revolutions is pre-filled based on an average of 2 replacement history, but you can enter a different amount if desired. Confirm by selecting Save, and then select Home. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit blue-white.com.